Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Ford Mustang GT. This one is the premium package with the automatic as well as the performance package. This one also has the active valved exhaust. Video that just went live today. The day that I'm filming this, my EcoBoost review just went live. That had the valved exhaust. This is a lot louder. It has double the cylinders, no turbos. Yeah, it's quite a bit louder. Riding on 275 section Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's in the rear, and what is it? 255s up front, so 20 millimeter difference, which is pretty average for sports cars. My car, the Challenger's a little bit different, where it's 275s all four corners. Oxford white over the top with really nice performance package wing. The 2020 GT Coupe Premium. 25 highway, that's pretty impressive, I'm not gonna lie. Where does it say? Yeah, 10-speed automatic transmission. Performance pack, which is $5,100. I'm gonna put the window up. And the active valve exhaust. So those are the three costly options for a total sticker price of $48,760, including destination. I mean, just look at the interior. Mustang, 55 years, badging. Oh, God, I love these things. Today we'll be driving it in track mode, which with the valved exhaust, it's loud, very loud. Nice and easy over these rocks. Most cars don't have an issue with this, and honestly I could take this at speed, but you know what? It's a Mustang. I'm gonna be careful. And no, that was not a Mustang joke. Due to the power, God, it's just under 500 horsepower, which is frankly absurd. You have to be very selective of when you apply the power. Not only is this thing stupid loud, I think it's very close to 100 decibels, which that surpasses some tracks around here. They have a noise limit of like 92 decibels. Yeah, this car's louder than that noise limit. So yeah, you can get kicked out off of racetracks with this car. As such, you can't just floor it everywhere unless you want to make everybody around you absolutely annoyed whenever you're close by. Redline comes at 7,500 RPM. That is, frankly, a lot of RPM for a 5-liter V8. Whereas my 6.4 Redline's at 6,500. You got a whole nother 1,000 RPM to play with. While they just discontinued it, you could get the GT 350 for probably about 10 grand more. And that Redline's at like 9,000 RPM. So you know what? Oh, yeah. That is fantastic. The thing is, it's like a freight train. It just keeps pulling. I'll be completely honest. That was the first time I floored it. Yeah. Yeah, that was, not gonna lie, I was kind of scared there. Like, not because I broke the speed limit, but because it's so loud. You do have a quiet mode that you can engage that makes everything super, super quiet. Where's the fun in that? Honestly, I think this is one of the best performance cars under $50,000. We're at the point where the Mustang is not a muscle car anymore. It's a sports car. It drives better than a lot of sports cars I drive. No idea where they're at. Oh, it's an ambulance. Okay. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe so I can drive more cars like this. And I'll see you all in the next one.